Ani Mishra, Faculty of MBA at First Right. Today I am going to discuss management process and organization theory. This is the topic first unit, fundamentals of management. Let's understand the concept of management. So the management is the process of planning and organizing the resources and activities of a business to achieve specific goals in the most effective and efficient manner possible. Effectively, the management refers the completion of tasks correctly and at minimum cost. Characteristics of management are multidimensional, dynamical, and intangible. Multidimensional means managers work closely with and provide guidance to the members of their team. Dynamic means management is a dynamic function and evolves and adapts to changes in its environment, whether they are economic, socio-political, or technological. Intangible means management is not a tangible product, but the presence can change the way an organization functions. Management consists of ideologies, policies, and human interaction, and organizational objectives are survival, profit, and growth. Survival means an organization needs to generate enough revenues to cover its operational costs. Profit means provides incentive and it's essential for covering unprecedented cost and risk associated with running a business. And growth means you can measure the growth of a business in terms of increase in sales volume, workforce, and capital investment. And when we talk about importance of management, so management is very important for any organization. Without management, none organization can work. Management help in achieving group goals, increase efficiency, create achieving personal objectives, etc. There are three level on management. First one will be the top management, second one middle management, and the last one will be the operational management. So when we talk about top management means the senior most executive of a company. Middle management links the operational management to the topmost management, and the operational management means supervisor, section lead, four persons directory oversee the effects of the workplace. Thank you.